Oh, hey, Cam, how you doing? Are we supposed to be doing our Christmas episode of Sure Grip Talks? Wow, we got to go to Jared's office. Let's go. I got to go. Jared, it's our Christmas episode of
What?
Sure Grip Talks.
Oh,
you have to put this on.
No. This is Balint things. It's not mine. I have work to do. Like, where's Balint? Like, I don't have time.
I don't know where Balint is. Like, Jared, it's up to you. You have to put this on. It's
What?
Christmas. You have to put this on.
I
We have
barely
to do
even
this episode.
decorated. Like, come
Well,
on, bah
like,
humbug.
I mean, do you have a little bit of decorations at least?
I got a tiny tree.
Well, I mean, it's better than nothing. You really need to get up. We really need to go do
Where
this
are you
episode.
going?
We have to go down to the workshop.
Workshop?
Yes, downstairs, Santa's workshop.
I don't
You know,
want...
we have Santa's workshop here. Come on, Jared.
All right, let's go. I don't even know why you're pulling me into this thing. Like, this is Balint's thing. Like, it's not mine. Like, he comes in and bugs me all the time with these dumb questions you already know about. And let's be honest, like, Christmas is next week. I've already checked out. Like, everyone here's all Christmassy, and I mean, they got me wearing this dumb hat and something about a Santa's workshop. Like, I guess, but like, I want a bonus or something for it. What? I'm not a complete Grinch. It's already hot in here. Like, hoodie was the wrong choice. Time to go down with the elves. All right, Christmas spirit, Christmas spirit, Christmas spirit. Let's go. Oh, hey, Tim.
Howdy.
How's it going today?
Ho, ho, ho.
Nice Christmas spirit. It's just, I guess this would be my Santa's workshop.
This would be it.
Sounds good. Well, what are we working on today?
Well, we're getting the new FL 3.0 boxes up and running. So we just got this mold in today, and about another 2 hours, and we should start to see some parts come out of it.
What do you think? That's pretty cool, huh? Well, what else we got going on here?
Over here we're starting on our new spinner knob bases. So this is the holder of the base mold. Over there we have the new spinner knob. That's the rotational mold that does the new rubber over top of the spinner knob.
Okay.
So you can see with this will be the new outside of the spinner knobs. So it'll be a rubber part, and then it'll have these new little finger dimples. Make grip a little bit better.
Oh, I know people are really looking forward to our new spinner knob, so that's really cool.
Then on over here, this is the new spinner knob bases. So we're just doing the EDM portion on some of the core inserts. And this is also shooting the new red button for the spinner knob bases.
Oh, nice to see Santa's elves are all working hard for the nice boys and girls.
And over here is some of the parts that we have brought from 3D printing into molding over the last little bit. So this was one we did a while ago.
Okay.
So this is we've been running this one now for a couple years, but it used to be 3D printed. These are ones that we brought out this year, so they used to be 3D printed. These are the pin covers, and we brought those to molding earlier this year. I don't know where the second half of this went, but this is a little button holder that we had brought over to molding from 3D printing. This was the brake latch cover, which we had brought from 3D printing into molding about 3 years ago. And this is our latest one, the BB-8. which they used to be 3D printed, and we are now bringing it into molding, where we will have a grained finish on the top. Make the part a lot better, smoother, and then have a better grip on the top.
Okay. BB-8's one of our more popular ones, so they're really gonna like that.
Over here, Elf Morgan is doing the handwork on the new spinner knob. So we got to get all the cutter marks out of there, and she's got to go there by hand around each of those new dimples and get all the cutter marks out and get it ready for grain. And over here, Darren is doing the final touches on our BB-8 mold. So we're just getting a couple final things done, and then we're going to send this out for graining and have a nice new grained part.
Not too close.
Wow, I'm learning something today.
So that's about everything that's going on in Santa's Tower Workshop over here. Have yourself a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hey, what are you doing with those candy canes? Bring those back.
Thanks for everything, Tim. Thank you. Bye. Gotta go.
Hey, Jared.
Oh, hey, Nora.
Hey, how'd everything go in the workshop?
It was actually really good. You know, I think my heart grew by 3 sizes today.
Well, that's good. I'm glad you're getting in the Christmas spirit because we certainly need it.
Definitely do.
Oh, hey, Cam, what's up? You know, it's a beautiful weather out, but I feel like I'm forgetting something. Yeah, whatever.
Hey, Balint, there you are.
Hi, what's going on?
We had to shoot Sugar Up Talks today.
That was today?
Don't worry about it. Once again, I had to do your job. You already shot and everything. It's all taken care of. Put a jacket on, you crazy.
I think I'm forgetting an ice cream.
Yeah.
Well, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hey, Cam. Honestly, I was kind of hiding today from Jared. I think he's kind of jealous about me getting all the spotlight and the fame. And he says he doesn't want to be involved, but I know he loves the attention, so I thought I would let him have today.